Hello crypto enthusiasts, I'm Daniel and you're welcome back to the channel once more. In today's video we're going to be talking about Hamster Kombat Morse code and the reward you get for it. So I'm just going to claim this right now, and I just want to let you know that this video is actually for beginners who are still confused on how this daily cipher code works and how to claim this. So if you've been wondering, you don't really know how it works and you are eager to know, then this video is for you. Sit tight, relax, and watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any important information I'll be sharing in this very video. First off, what is the Morse code? Okay, the Morse code, also known as the International Morse Code, was historically a critical communication in early telegraphy, radio communication at sea, and even some military applications back then. Okay, but the Hamster Kombat team decided to introduce this code into this very airdrop because I believe the reason they did this was because they wanted engagement. I mean, knowing you have 1 million token to claim daily, you just have to log into the app, right? Just to get people engaged and stuffs like that. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how it works, okay, how to access it, and even how to get this daily code. So this Morse code is usually represented by a dot and a dash. This is the communication language back then. But in the case of Hamster Kombat, this Morse cipher code stands for different things. Okay, the dot means a tap and the dash means long press and hold. Okay, you hold for at least 2 seconds before you let go. Okay, so in Hamster, this Morse code is a tap and a hold. So as at the time of creating this very video, today's Morse code is POOL, which is POOL. Now the Morse code for P is a dot, a dash, another dash, and a dot, which is, if you were to enter this in Hamster Kombat, you click a tap, hold, and a tap again. Okay, and for O we have 3 dash right there, and for L we have a dot, a dash, and 2 more dash, which is tap, hold, tap, tap. Okay, so this is how it works, and I'm going to show you that right now. So Hamster Kombat's interface just changed recently, and for you to access this the interface to enter the Morse code, all you have to do is to click this button, this section right here that says Daily Cipher. Okay, just click on that section and the button right here would turn red, and this is where you'll be able to enter the code for the day. Okay, so if you were to tap, you just tap once, and if you were to long press and hold, you just hold and then you let go, and by so doing you have entered the command for this very word. So I'm actually going to cut this video right now and show you a pre-recorded video I made about this and how to claim the Morse code for today. And after that, we'll place our discussion on how to get this Morse code daily so that you don't keep going to YouTubers or social media and keep begging them for Morse code. I'm going to reveal that secret to you, alright? So sit tight and watch. So this is the diagram of the Morse code. If you want one, just check the link in the description which says Morse code image link, and you'll get one. That would actually lead you to my Telegram channel. So to enter today Morse code, we're just going to tap, hold, and tap, and as you can see, letter P would appear. And then for letter O to appear, you just have to click and hold again, and then click and hold one more time, and letter O would appear. And for you to get this result again, you just have to repeat the same process. Okay, and as you can see, letter O has appeared again, and to get L, you just have to tap once, hold, tap, and tap again, and that is L right there. And as you can see right now, the code is cracked. You are a real detective, so take the prize by clicking on the blue button right there. And the moment you do, you see this pop-up that will say, "Good job, CEO, goal for today has been achieved." And if you look closely right here, you see that an extra 1 million token has been added to my balance. Okay, so back to the video. As at the time of recording this, I now have about 52 million tokens right here. That is how Hamster Cipher code works and how to claim 1 million tokens daily. Mind you, each day a new code comes out, and it's your duty to look for this, but a lot of us can't really go through that stress, so there is an easier way. And some of us go on social media asking questions like, what is the cipher code for today? It's simple, right? You can get it yourself. I'm going to reveal it to you. Some YouTubers don't really reveal this because they want you to keep coming back to their channel for the views, okay? But I'm going to be showing you exactly how to search and discover this today. So there are 2 places you can find the Hamster Morse code and the Hamster Kombat code. But this video is basically about the Hamster Morse code, so I'm just going to be focusing on that. Now, the two places you can find that is on Twitter and Facebook. So we're going to head over to Twitter right now, and what you're meant to do, let me just head over to Twitter. What you're meant to do is to head over to the search bar right here. Just click on that little search icon right now, and once you click on that, come over to the top right here and type in the keyword Hamster Cipher code June 23. Okay, you always have to put the date, okay, if you want to get the best result. Now we're going to search for that right now. So as you can see right here, there are a lot of suggestions, and the first suggestion right here said pool, which I just showed you, right? So to get more of these results, just to be sure, you scroll down. Okay, so as you can see right here, this one says pool, and you have to be looking at the time. This was 8 hours ago. If you scroll down again, this was for yesterday. Okay, this very one that says farm was for yesterday, and right here you can see pool again. And as you can even see right here, this very one has June 23. Okay, you have to be looking at the date and the time. Okay, this was posted 5 hours ago. Now we're done for Twitter. Let's head over to Facebook. Okay, so I'm just going to head over to Facebook right now, and then head over to the search bar. Head over to the search bar, which is right here. So just click on that right now, and then I'm going to type in the same keyword I typed in before, which is Hamster Cipher code June 23rd. And there was a little mistake right here, so I'm just going to correct that right now. And as you can see right here, there's a lot of results right here. As you can see, this very one says pool, and if you scroll down again, this very one again says pool. There are just a lot of results. Okay, so this is how you actually discover it. It's not rocket science. Even if you're looking for the combo code, this is also how you discover it. All right, so you don't go up disturbing people, asking them for the cipher code for the day and stuff like that. Okay, it's not hard, it's simple. Just go to your social media handle, Twitter and Facebook, go to the search bar, type in the keyword Hamster Cipher code June 23rd or that particular date. Maybe by the time you're watching this video, it might be on June 26th or 27th. You type in June 26th or 27th. If it's in August, you type in the month and the date. It's that simple, guys. This is it for the Morse Cipher code. Now, there's some things you also need to take note of here, things that could boost the coins you earn. All right, and right here, you just have to come over to this boost section right now. Okay, this boost section is where you actually get to refuel your energy. Let me just go head back right now. Now this is your energy right here. This very one right here is your energy, and as you can see, we have 6,000 over 700. Now the first one right here is the one that counts. Okay, so by the time you drain your energy, all you have to do to refuel this right now is to come over to this boost section. Once you click on that boost section, you click on full energy. Okay, some people don't even know that this exists. Click on full energy and this would refill. Let me just make use of that right now. Okay, so just to show you how it works. And as you can see right here, I now have 7,000 over 7,000. A lot of us might not like this because it's time consuming. So there's even a better way to earn. All you just have to do is to come over to this section that says earn. Okay, click on this earn section right now, and when you do, you're going to see this tax right here. Now once you see this tax right here, always make sure you carry out this tax because it changes, and by so doing you get to earn more token. But if you don't carry out the tax, by the time you come, another tax might have been introduced and you must have lost out on the other token you were supposed to earn. All right, so it's important you carry out this tax and also carry out this very tax. There are two tax right here. Okay, they usually bring out new tax sometimes in 2 or 3 days or sometimes weekly. Okay, so it's your duty to be always checking this. And we also have the daily reward. You have to check this every day if you want to accumulate your earnings. Okay, as you can see right here, day 1 is 500. Then on day 10, if you can do this consistently, claim the daily reward, by day 10 you should be claiming 5 million tokens on that very day. Okay, by the time you multiply or add up all these tokens, you should have over 6 million tokens. Okay, so this is what you need to know about earning more or increasing your earnings on Hamster Kombat mini app on Telegram. Okay, so this is basically what you need to know about today's video. I hope you did understood this very video well. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section and I'll try my best to respond to you. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel to stay updated whenever I drop an update about this very airdrop. Okay, if you want to stay more updated, if you want to receive daily cipher code and Morse code, then make sure you follow my social media handle using the link in the description so that whenever we drop an update, you'll be among the first to see that. Okay. Lastly, and the most important, if you haven't joined Hamster Combat, make sure you do so, and do so now, because this airdrop has the potential to replicate Notcoin's success right now and start farming this airdrop. Anything can happen, all right? You don't know what it might turn out to be tomorrow. Just like Notcoin, a lot of people doubted, a lot of people called it scam and all sort of name, but the results shocked everyone. So I'm advising you, if you haven't joined right now, hop in right now, because I'll be releasing updates about this, so you don't have to fear, you don't have to worry. All right, so this is it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Always stay safe.